Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us here at Around the Penny for Tuesday, March 22nd. I'm Kat. Let's go take a walk around the penny. We open with the market bulls, and first up is Universal Detection Technology, symbol UNDT. As we stated on our show last night, the company issued a press release after the market closed, which might result in some positive gains today. The news paid off, and the equity rose over 31% on over 781 million shares. UNDT has signed a distribution agreement with Precision Technologies Pty. This now gives the company an on-ground presence in Japan to help detect radiation in the areas affected by the tsunami disaster. Let's take a look at Aerialway Inc., symbol AWYI. They are a technology and services company focused on developing innovative and secure technologies. The equity had a huge crash at the start of the year and hasn't been able to recover since. They did have a nice day today though, climbing close to 17% on over 77 million shares. Our final bull is Central Wireless Inc., symbol CWIR. They operate mainly as a wireless communications infrastructure company. No news out to support today's rally, just a straight 100% increase on a volume of just over 147 million shares. On to the bears, and AppTech Corporation, symbol APCX, took a big hit today. After dropping a little over 11% yesterday, the phone application maker dropped an additional 25% on almost 933 million shares today. AppTech experienced a 600% increase in a 2-week span starting at the end of February, but it has since lost the majority of that rally. Talk about a volatile stock. Let's move on to Monogram Energy, symbol MGRN, also known as Marquis Tech Holdings. This real estate purchaser had a tough day, dropping 20% on about 570 million shares during Power Hour. Earlier today, the company announced they've acquired 100% of the shares of Astrolabe Technology. Astrolabe is a company which provides consulting services in mining companies in Guyana. Today's final bear is Trend Exploration Incorporated, symbol TRDX. They are focused on building a leading holding company for medical, dental, and biotech products and services. Today, the company announced they have started to receive payments from previous purchase orders on their new pharmaceutical distribution division. Sounds like something a trader would like to hear, but that wasn't the case. The equity ended the day down roughly 29% on a volume of over 55 million shares. A classic sell the news event. A lot of chat room hype surrounded Team Nation Holdings, symbol TEMN. The management company specializes in insurance and escrow services. Today, they announced a new subsidiary called TSS Escrow. Projections indicate that this subsidiary will contribute up to $3 million in additional revenue within 24 months. But despite this good news, the stock was pretty volatile. After opening at 0.0014, it saw a high of 0.0017 and a low of 0.0012, bouncing around all day. It ended up rising 14% on over 108 million shares, closing at 0.0016. Chatters were also interested in Guard Dog Incorporated, symbol GRDO. On March 1st, the identity theft prevention company announced plans for a corporate merger, but they were pretty tight-lipped about the details, and they haven't had any news since. They also have the OTC stop sign for no info. The stock opened at 0.0033 and had a high of 0.0035 and a low of 0.0028. It fell nearly 12% on about 18 million shares to close at 0.003. A lot of chatters were wondering what's the deal with that merger and when will there be more info. A lot of questions, but this dog is guarding its answers. Our quote of the day comes compliments of Shoemaster, who said, "You bring garbage with huge stink." Oh yeah? Well, I know you are, but what am I? The pumpers were certainly busy today. 12 newsletters were pumping Diversity Group International, symbol DGIN. The company specializes in the development of interest rates, insurance, and currency products. Today, they announced preliminary business discussions with 3 undisclosed insurance carriers. Newsletters were super excited about this news, but their enthusiasm didn't help the stock. It opened at 22 cents and fell over 28% on nearly 2 million shares to close the day at 14 cents. Over the last 3 months, the stock has been all over the place, hitting lows of less than 8 cents and highs over 20 cents. 10 newsletters pumped Thwaper Incorporated, symbol THWI. The company works in mobile video sharing. Pumpers jumped on the fact that the stock was moving up this morning. It opened at just over 44 cents and rose over 13% on about 382,000 shares, closing at roughly 51 cents. However, the company released a statement yesterday stating that third parties have been sending spam mail promoting the stock. They said that the emails may have resulted in excessive volatile trading activity, but that they had nothing to do with it. Wait, so you're saying you had nothing to do with the pumping even though it was helping your stock? That definitely deserves a BS trophy. Nice try, buddy. That's a wrap for today. Thanks so much for watching. For all the latest penny stock news, be sure to visit our homepage, simplypennies.com. You can also follow us on Twitter and check us out on YouTube. For Around the Penny, I'm Kat. Have a great night, everyone. A lot of chatters were wondering what's the deal with them. Whenever I try to say it like it's conversational, it always takes me 2 tries.